In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix unexpected client behavior in Roblox in 2022. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. This is a very annoying error that will kick you from any game you are trying to play in Roblox, and there are a bunch of fixes that might or might not work for you. In this video, I'm gonna present you with 3 fixes that might work for your computer. The first one, most simple one, is to right-click your Roblox player and click on Properties. Within Properties, select the Compatibility tab, and in here, you are going to select 2 options. Run this program in Compatibility Mode 4, and from the drop-down menu, change this option to Windows 7, and the second one, run this program as an administrator. After you select both of these options, select Apply and click OK. Now, try to log into the game as usual. If you're still getting the error, another possible method is to first check the Roblox servers. So search for Roblox server on Google and go to the first page, the official Roblox website status, that will tell you if Roblox servers are experiencing any problems. As you can see, all systems are operational, which means that Roblox is running fine. If this website was to display an error, it wouldn't be your fault and Roblox was experiencing issues. The last step, and the most extreme one, is to delete Roblox from your computer if you need to. You can do so by searching uninstall in Windows and go into change or remove a program. In here, search for Roblox and delete Roblox Player and Roblox Studio and go back to the Roblox website and reinstall Roblox. I hope I was able to help you on how to fix unexpected client behavior in Roblox in 2022. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.